Why you should choose to study MNurs Honours Masters in Nursing Adult from the University of York. Here are the top highlights. Combine the academic rigor of a degree from a research-intensive university with the professional education needed to allow you to become a registered nurse. At the University of York, there's a difference between training and education. That's why they have built innovative, research-informed teaching into every step of your path to becoming an effective nurse. Through a combination of hands-on practical experience gained through clinical placements around the region and theoretical study in the classroom, you will learn how to provide effective care and ask challenging questions. You will be taught by experienced academics whose work is changing the way we think about health and healthcare. As a graduate from nursing department, you'll become a registered practitioner. You'll also have the analytical and critical thinking skills you need to become a proficient and confident leader in the future of health and healthcare. There are multiple nursing courses offered at the University of York. The 3-year courses include BSc Nursing Adult, BSc Nursing Child, BSc Nursing Mental Health. Also, 4-year integrated masters include MNurs Nursing Adult, MNurs Nursing Child, MNurs Nursing Mental Health. And the postgraduate courses are MSc Nursing Adult, MSc Nursing Mental Health. Let's have a detailed look. MNurs Honours Masters in Nursing Adult, which is a 4-year full-time integrated master's course from the University of York, and here are the top reasons to go for this course. The future nursing workforce needs advanced leadership with higher level clinical and analytical skills. This 4-year course leading to a Master's in Nursing and First Level Registration as a nurse has been designed with this in mind. It will equip you with the confidence and ability to think critically, apply knowledge and skills, and provide expert, evidence-based direct nursing care. After completing this degree, students will be eligible to register with Nursing and Midwifery Council, the professional regulatory body for nurses and midwives in the UK. You shall have access to state-of-the-art facilities where you would be able to perfect your practical skills in the clinical simulation unit, which looks just like a hospital ward. The Department of Nursing at the University of York ranked 4th in the UK for nursing, including midwifery by the Times and Sunday Times Good University Guide 2021. It was also ranked 6th in the UK for nursing and midwifery by the Guardian University Guide 2021. It ranked 7th in the UK for nursing, including midwifery by the Complete University Guide 2022. By joining this course, you shall join some of the brightest and best students preparing to become the nursing leaders of the future. So let's have a look at the key eligibility requirements for MNurs Honours Masters in Nursing Adult from the University of York. Let me give you some interesting facts which will help you understand how MNurs Honours Masters in Nursing Adult from the University of York will help you widen your career prospects. 100% of York nursing graduates were employed or in further study 6 months after graduation. Most of the students start their career as staff nurses in the NHS, others go into employment in social care and independent sector organizations. As you progress through your career, you could go on to a number of posts including staff nurse, clinical team leader, counselor, cognitive behavioral therapist, nursing consultant, critical care nurse, research nurse, modern matron, clinical educator. Alongside gaining the essential practical skills and knowledge you need to be an effective nurse, you'll gain a huge range of skills that will help you to succeed no matter what career path you follow. Teamwork, independent learning, facilitating change, service improvement, self-reflection, leadership. In your placements, you'll get the chance to try out what you've learned in the classroom and the clinical simulation unit in a real-world setting with support from experienced healthcare staff. You'll leave your course ready to become a leader in contemporary nursing care. Hello, the MNurs Honors Masters in Nursing Adult from the University of York will help you develop essential skills. Let me share some of them. This course is based around 4 central themes. Each theme covers an essential part of the knowledge you need to understand health and to be able to provide effective care. Biosciences and pharmacology. This theme will help you to build a solid understanding of the biological makeup of a healthy person and then apply this knowledge as you explore how ill health and disease affect the body and mind. Psychological and sociological aspects of health and ill health. You will explore how we view and understand health while reflecting on how culture and community affect these perceptions. You'll also examine how health education can be used throughout people's lives and discuss how ethical and legal issues inform healthcare. Professional development and evidence-based practice. You'll work on broadening your emotional intelligence and develop your ability to reflect on your own work. You'll also gain a solid understanding of what's expected from you as an effective nursing practitioner. Application to nursing practice. You'll have the opportunity to put your knowledge into action during a number of placements in a variety of settings across the region. York's dedicated practice learning team will work with you at every step of the way to make sure you get the most out of these experiences. There are multi-dimensional benefits to study MNurs Honors Masters in Nursing Adult from the University of York. Let me share some of them. You'll be able to develop your understanding of working in healthcare and build up a network of useful contacts around the region. Many of the current students receive offers of employment before the end of the course. There is scope of professional development into every step of your course. You will learn how to reflect on your work and develop your understanding of what's expected from an effective nurse. York Futures is the university's unique employability program. From day one, you will have access to excellent career advice, opportunities and resources. The university shall support you to identify and develop your strengths and build a portfolio of valuable skills to help you stand out from the crowd and shape your career. Your 4 years are going to be full of learnings, and believe me, it would be the most unique experience to study MNurs Honors Masters in Nursing Adult from the University of York. In the year 1, you'll focus on developing your understanding of health and well-being. You'll also gain a solid grounding in healthcare practice and consider the role of nursing within health and social care. You'll study core modules covering the following topics: biological and pharmacological aspects of health and well-being, psychological and sociological aspects of health and well-being, professional development in nursing, introduction to nursing inquiry, knowledge applied to nursing practice 1, knowledge applied to nursing practice 2, academic integrity module. In addition to the above, you will also need to complete the online academic integrity module. In the year 2, you'll focus on ill health and disease while developing your knowledge of quality care. You'll learn how to take a person-centered approach to healthcare, considering an individual's personal experience of ill health when deciding how to care for them. You will study core modules covering the following topics: biological and pharmacological aspects of illness across the lifespan, psychological and sociological aspects of ill health, professional development in nursing, evidence-based nursing for practice, knowledge applied to nursing practice 3, knowledge applied to nursing practice 4. In the year 3, you will focus on working with individuals with complex needs, learning how to plan person-centered care in a variety of settings. You'll solidify your knowledge of safe practice, developing a secure understanding of how to evaluate information and take appropriate action to address risk. You'll study core modules covering the following topics: person-centered consultation and physical assessment skills, applying psychological and sociological aspects to complex care, professional development in nursing, leading and managing change, knowledge applied to nursing practice 5, knowledge applied to nursing practice 6. And in the year 4, you will spend your final year developing your expertise in evidence-based nursing practice, aligned with your individual interests and aspirations. You will finish the year ready to be a leader in the delivery of complex nursing care. You'll study core modules covering the following topics: Dissertation advancing evidence-based practice, implementing research into practice, enhanced knowledge applied to nursing practice 7. Also, you'll also choose option modules from topics that may include enhanced psychosocial skills, enhanced patient assessment and clinical decision-making skills. To know more about the University of York or to speak to the university delegate for a one-on-one discussion, log on to speaktouniversity.com. Follow the link in the description.